This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about takeout containers, specifically these foil luxe takeout containers and lids. They're white paper containers with a foil interior, and the clear lids for these can be purchased separately. We have the 6-inch 17-ounce container that's 1 3/4 inches deep. And you can see we've got the matching 6-inch diameter lid that goes with it. You can see they fit down on there really nice and tight. And then we also have the 51-ounce container that's 7 1/4 inches in diameter and 2 1/4 inches in height. And we have the compatible 7 1/4 inch lid for this one as well. The collection ranges in size from 17 to 51 ounces. So you can see we have the smallest and the largest here. But you have many size options available, including 17, 25, 33, 37, 42, and 51 ounce sizes. You want to make sure you check the listings to make sure you're buying the right lids to match those. The foil lining on these containers is grease-proof and really helps to maintain the temperature of foods, especially during delivery and transport. The white finish on the outside gives them a nice, clean, polished look, really kind of upping that takeout game. And they're great for packing everything from salads to pasta dishes. The lids are really nice and tight and have a great secure fit, and they can really even keep very saucy, messy foods contained. So these are perfect takeout option for any food establishment, for using for meal prep at home, or even doing things like taking your lunch to office or school.